Lenovo is scheduled to launch the Lenovo Z5s on December 18, and the company has been rolling out teasers after teasers running up to the launch. It has now released as many as 4 teaser posters on Weibo, revealing the smartphone's spec details. Lenovo VP Cheng Cheng has also shared sample shots of the Lenovo Z5s camera, and the watermark on these photos suggests that the smartphone will come with AI mode. Past teasers suggest that the Lenovo Z5s will be powered by the Snapdragon 678 processor and run on Android Pie. Lenovo Z5s teaser posters have been shared on Weibo by Cheng and by the company's official handle as well. The teaser posters suggest that the Lenovo Z5s will pack more than 8GB of RAM, which indicates that the smartphone may pack 10GB of RAM. The other teaser posters indicate that the smartphone may come with powerful innards to withstand intense gaming sessions. Cheng has also shared camera sample photos showing off the triple camera setup capabilities. 2 of the 3 photos have been taken in portrait mode, and going by the watermark on all the photos, the camera is backed by AI intelligence as well. He also shared another poster claiming that the triple camera setup of the Lenovo Z5s can take better pictures than the Xiaomi Mi 8 flagship. To recall, the Xiaomi Mi 8 is equipped with dual camera setup at the back, with one 12-megapixel wide-angle lens and another 12-megapixel telephoto lens. There is a 20-megapixel selfie sensor up front. While the specifications on the triple camera setup are not known, the Lenovo Z5s arrangement appears to be similar to the Huawei P20 Pro smartphone. In any case, we recommend you take all the details with a pinch of salt, as Lenovo is known to make tall claims and fall short when it comes to delivering promises. As per a Dana listing, the Lenovo Z5s is expected to sport a 6.3-inch waterdrop-shaped notch display, and 156.7 by 74.5 by 7.8 mm dimensions. As mentioned, the smartphone is teased to be powered by the as-yet unannounced Snapdragon 678 SoC, and run on Android Pie out of the box. So far, this is all we know of the Lenovo Z5, and all details will become official next week.